Hi guys! So for today's video, we will be visiting two tourist spots in Banawe, Ifugao. First, we will go to Batad to see the famous amphitheater-shaped rice terraces, and we will also visit the Snake River located in Barangay Dukligan, Banawe, Ifugao to enjoy its nice views. From Lagawe, we traveled for about 2 hours para makarating sa municipality of Banawe and another 30 minutes para makarating sa Barangay Batad kung saan located yung Amphitheater Banawe Rice Terraces. Ayan, so summer ngayon, kaya medyo mabilis kaming nakapunta sa Banawe. Hindi madulas yung daan, dry yung daan, hindi wet. Actually, pag pupunta dito, first time ganon, mas okay siguro na parang professional or magaling yung driver nyo kasi yung daan dito is puro pa-curve and masikip. Look at that view! Ayan, so maaga kaming pumunta dito para maaga rin kaming makarating doon sa Barangay Batad. Road trip, road trip! Nag-stop over lang kami kasi malayo na din yung binahe namin and wala pa kami sa Barangay Batad. Ayan, so doon tayo sa taas kasi nakalagay dyan na sa taas yung Barangay Batad. Nandito na tayo! Welcome to Barangay Batad. Hindi na ako magsasalita para marinig niyo yung background.
Video to. Nasaan po tayo ngayon?
Batad, Banawe, Ifugao. So, dito sa Barangay Batad, hindi nakakapasok sa mismo village yung mga four-wheelers or kahit anong wheelers pa yan na sasakyan. So, may nakalaan sila na parking lot bago makapasok sa village. Ang nakakapasok lang na sasakyan doon sa mismong village is yung mga motor. Ayan, so bago makapasok sa village kung saan located yung Batad Rice Terraces, you need to pay an additional 55 environmental fee upon entering that village. So, bakit nga ba naging United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization o UNESCO World Heritage Site ang Rice Terraces sa Batad, Banawe, Ifugao? Ayan, so, did you know that the Rice Terraces became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1995 because they are over 2,000 years old and show an amazing achievement by the Ifugao people. They carved the terraces into the mountains using simple tools and built a smart irrigation system to grow rice at high elevations. UNESCO recognized this site because the Ifugao still farm the terraces today using traditional methods and rituals passed down through generations, making it rare living culture where humans have lived in harmony with nature for thousands of years. Ayan, so papunta na kami sa location nung Rice Terraces, and yeah, hindi ako makasalita dyan kasi respect sa nature and sa elders na nagtatrabaho sa gilid. And recommended na magdala ng protection para sa sun, mga sombrero, mag long sleeve, and huwag kakalimutan ang tubig para iwas heat stroke. Ayan, so best months to visit Banawe Rice Terraces is April to July. Sa April to May, the terraces are lush green and very beautiful. The weather is drier, so hiking is easier and safer. June to July, this is the harvesting season. The rice is golden and ready to be harvested. Ito naman, optional but highly recommended if gusto mong mag-trekking, ranges from 1,000 pesos to 1,500 pesos per day depending on your destination. For example, trekking to Tapia Falls or taking a viewpoint tour. Kasama na dito ang local guide. So, itong Banawe Rice Terraces is hindi na pala UNESCO Heritage Site. Hindi din namin sure kung bakit. Pero, alam ko na everything happens for a reason. Dito rin sa bago makarating sa mismong viewpoint ng Batad Rice Terraces, pwede kayong makabili ng mga souvenir or mga magnet. Next naman, dumaan kami sa Barangay Bangaan sa Banawe pa rin para mag-attend ng kasal and kumain na rin ng lunch. Makiwat-wat. Ayan, so pupunta naman tayo sa next spot which is sa Snake River sa Barangay Dukligan sa Banawe, Ifugao pa rin. So from Barangay Bangaan, nagbiyahe kami ng siguro mahigit 15 minutes bago makarating sa Barangay Dukligan. So, ayan guys, if pupunta kayo dito, expect na mahaba-haba ang mga biyahe papunta sa mga tourist spots nila dito sa Banawe. And so, worth it din yung mahaba-habang biyahe kasi yung view pa lang sa pagbabiyahe nyo is So, next spot is the Snake River. So, itong Snake River is a stunning serpentine waterway in Barangay Dukligan, located pa rin sa Banawe, Ifugao. At sabi nila, the best way to see the snake shape is from the Dukligan Snake River view deck or surrounding mountain vantage points. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more upcoming videos.